Look, we go up on the tree, go pick cherry. You see them? May I video something? See, in the dirt, that this is. But as I tell you, say the root, the leaf, right, dry up. The tree, right, dry up. See?
Ja, man, du kommer där ut. Som någon sa du.
I said, do your kitchen, master, but your kitchen, they're too high. I don't know if this be of no use to you. Because, see it there, it dry up.
Okay, so that's the real banana tree. So once the banana get ready and it fit and you cut the banana, you have to just cut the tree because it's not gonna bear again. So you have to just chop it down, just cut it down. Yeah. A banana tree cannot bear twice. Well, I never see it bear twice. You have to just cut it down. One more day up there, so that one almost ready. This is what country life is like. The good old country. This is mint. All them things them put in a tea bag, mint, maybe mix. But this is the natural mint.
You know what that?
You drink this mint tea. Watch my uncle feed the cows. Now the bush. That's my uncle feeding the cows. Country life. It's real.
Get that camera, man.
Cow love the real sugar cane. That's the best life.
One. By the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wanna come now, man? Now worry yourself, the camera is still ready. Come! Ni kamaya bounce me and make the camera just watching over. Come! They're gonna turn off the camera right now. Sure. Come!
It's Willem Jones in on the beat.
Money Latin low, money Latin la. Money believe, make my jawe ola. Money Latin low, money Latin la. Oh.